AI doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be overwhelming. Used correctly, AI doesn't replace your life. It simplifies it. Here are 10 AI tools that quietly make everyday life easier. First tool, Notion AI. It is for people whose minds move faster than their ability to organize. It turns messy thoughts into structured notes, tasks, and plans. Meeting notes, project summaries, daily to-do lists. Instead of remembering everything, you let the system remember for you. Tool number 2, Midjourney or DALL-E. Visuals are no longer limited by design skills or stock photos. With AI image tools, a simple idea becomes a finished image. Social posts, presentations, book covers. You imagine it. The tool creates it. Tool 3, Perplexity. AI replaces endless Google searches. Instead of 10 tabs, you get one clear answer with sources included. It's research without the rabbit hole. Fast, focused, reliable. Tool 4, ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs turns text into natural human speech, videos, audiobooks, narration. No microphone, no studio, no retakes. Your words, spoken clearly, every time. Tool 5, Synthesia. Synthesia creates professional videos without cameras or actors. Training videos, explainers, presentations. You write the script. AI delivers the message. Simple, scalable, efficient. Tool 6. Descript. Descript changes how editing works. You edit video by editing text. Delete a sentence. The video updates. No timelines. No complicated software. If you can edit a document, you can edit a video. Tool 7. Jasper. Jasper helps with writing when clarity matters. Ads, captions, blogs. It doesn't replace creativity, it accelerates it. You still guide the idea. The tool handles the speed. Tool 8. Fireflies.ai. Fireflies.ai listens to meetings so you don't have to remember everything. It records, transcribes, summarizes. You focus on the conversation. The tool handles the notes. Tool 9. Canva Magic Studio. Design no longer requires design knowledge. Canva's AI tools handle layouts, colors, and formats. Social posts, logos, videos. You focus on the message. The design follows. Tool 10. ChatGPT. ChatGPT ties everything together. It helps you think, plan, explain, create, from learning faster to solving problems to clarifying ideas. It's not just a tool, it's a thinking partner. AI isn't about doing more, it's about doing less, better. The people who benefit most aren't experts. They're the ones who start using these tools intentionally. We break down intelligence before it becomes obvious.